please at least have silent clap for them, right? So Akib, I think it's a very sorry state. Luckily justified that handshake as well, and he performed very well. And I think and that's a good thing that Fahim Ashraf had proven himself with his performance. Should not open his chest too wide just on one performance. Actually, Babar
are not performing.
Yeah, Rakib, I think I really request
him. Lineup also along with him that when he gets out, team falls like a pack of dominoes. This used to happen.
Or he want to perform on the upper hand. He came under pressure and
there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir bhai. Just today, how are you, Tahir bhai?
God is too kind. What about you?
First of all, Tahir bhai, belated Eid Mubarak to you and from sport.
Thank you, Akib. Well, Eid Mubarak to you too as well.
And Tahir bhai, how do you see the state of Pakistan cricket at the moment? The team lost another match.
Akib, I think in the current state in which Pakistani team has lost, it's just shed me into tears. It's a very sorry state of affair. I would like to ask my whole nation, please at least have silent clap for them, right? So Akib, I think it's a very sorry state of affair. I wish that our team could have performed very well, but unfortunately that thing we haven't seen. But in future we can wish that they could play well.
Tahir bhai, when they scored, New Zealand scored 292 for 8, you were laughing or smiling that you knew Pakistani batting would not be able to chase this target. Even though it's nothing total in modern day.
Yeah, Akib, the reason I was given you smiley at that point of time, it was my clear intention that we will not be able to chase this score. Because our team is, I'm sorry to say that, if New Zealand could have given us the target of 92 runs, it could have been like a Mount Everest height that target could have been for us. Akib, the thing is, we should pull our socks up, not we, PCB, all the management, all the stakeholders, if they want to see our team on the peak. Otherwise, Akib, it will be very difficult for us. I think our team might have vanished from the international arena and we could have told the stories to our youngsters, upcoming youngsters that once we will have also cricket team and that was performing well, but I'm afraid of that thing.
What has gone wrong with our batting? Naseem Shah at number 8 is scoring runs and Fahim Ashraf, whom we were criticizing a lot, has managed to get a wicket and score runs with the tail. How do you see?
Yeah, Akib, I was wondering that why you haven't asked this question me before.
You were surprised to see Fahim performance.
Yeah, Akib, we were criticizing on Fahim that he is a parchi and he's blah 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 blah.
His handshake is pretty heavy.
But his handshake is pretty heavy and he has luckily justified that handshake as well. And he performed very well. And I think we should be thankful to Fahim Ashraf, although he came on so-called parchi, which we are claiming, but Akib, whenever you perform...
Is this a one-off performance, Tahir bhai?
Yeah, Akib, whenever you perform, all the negative thoughts went away. And that's a good thing that Fahim Ashraf had proven himself with his performance. And he has given a shut-up call to all those who are criticizing on him.
But are you hoping that this is not a one-off performance and he performed consistently because we barely need an all-rounder?
Yeah, Akib, I totally agree with you. Akib, I think Fahim Ashraf should not open his chest too wide just on one performance because Akib, cricket is an ongoing process. The more you perform, the more you will be loved by the fan. That's why Akib, on one performance for him should not overconfident, otherwise this overconfidence might have shaken him very badly.
So the big boys are back and still we are losing. That's a big question mark for the fan.
Yeah, Akib, we were hoping that big boy...
Still no Fakhr.
Yeah, that's a good question. I was hoping that you could have raised the Fakhr before. Yeah, Akib, the main boy which we want to see, Fakhr, is just still out of the flavor.
And they are saying he's injured.
Yeah, they are saying he is injured, but you know what is going wrong. And I'm afraid of that. Fakhr might be flew away to other countries, although we have seen the rumors before. But if this rumor could have shown his proper color, then what will the implications? If Fakhr could have flew away, then I think there will be a lot of players who might be thinking on this.
We need Fakhr and we need Saim.
Yeah,
because
definitely.
You see the condition of our opening, that our opening is not be able to provide.
Definitely, definitely, totally agree with you.
What about Babar and Rizwan? The big boys.
Actually, Babar
are not performing.
Yeah, Rashid, I think I really request them, Babar and Rizwan should give rest themselves and they should go back to play Qaid-e-Azam Trophy, national match, first class cricket, and even counties as well. County nourishes you as well. So I think Akib, our
but
senior...
But they're insecure that young players can take their place.
Sure, no worries Akib. If they will perform well, definitely Akib, their place in the team will be vacant because Akib performance and form is temporary. If junior player could hand replace them, but look, when those junior players will lose their form, definitely Rizwan and Babar will be the best choice for the management. So I think that's the reason Babar and Rizwan should take rest and should give proper rest to themselves.
And Tarun, do you think that Babar has a weak batting lineup also along with him, that when he gets out, team falls like a pack of domino? This used to happen with Misbah. Shoaib Masood also said this. Same
Yeah, Akib Babar is a lone warrior, and I already mentioned that. Even Imran Nazir also mentioned this thing, that why we have seen us that we are performing too long, too extra, because the reason was we were aware of the fact that we have long batting line on at our back end.
But we don't have this.
But in the case of Babar don't have the much support. That's why Akib, whenever he used to perform well or he want to perform on the upper hand,
I
he
think
came
he was
under pressure
same like
and
Misbah.
yeah, same like Misbah. And even Afridi also admitted that fact in the 2001 World Cup. Misbah's intention were positive, but unfortunately, due to lack of support or he performed very, or due to the shaking of wickets and wickets were falling one by one. So that's why Misbah was very late to execute his plan.
And lastly, before we conclude, Mohsin Naqvi as ACB chairman. One word, Tarun. What do you say?
Yeah,
Just start 3 jobs. He has 3 jobs now.
yeah, Akib, it's a good sign, and we congratulate Mohsin Naqvi sir from the depth of our heart.
He's under more now heavy burden.
Yeah, but on the other hand, Akib, now more pressure lies on Mohsin Naqvi sahab because he should play his role even very well. That India should come in Pakistan to play the matches between the nation of Pakistan.
And he needs to learn to tackle Jay
Yeah,
Shah.
he
But
does-
why
yeah.
do you think, Tarun, this is a deal between Jay Shah and
Yeah, Akib, if it's a deal, but this deal should be for the betterment of the cricket, not for the security of the cricket for the both nations. But Akib, I think Mohsin Naqvi should come up front and should learn from the Jay Shah and convince him to bring his team to Pakistan, because Pakistani fans love the cricket. They love the Indian fans. They love the Indian cricket. So they want them to play in our land. And they came back in 2006 last time, and it's almost 2 decades going to be.
Thank you so much for inshallah. Tomorrow again we will have another video. So guys, that's it for the video. Like, channel, subscribe to Sports for more content like this. For me and Tyler, say to yourself and love.
Allah.